Everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and going to give you an update on things that are happening with me and that are going to be happening with the channel because of what's affecting me. So if you're having a hard time hearing me today, I apologize. So I'm just finally now, over the past week, really starting to get healthier. So took off towards the end of last year, and I've pretty much been sick on and off. And where it really affected me has been with my voice. So again, like I said, if you're having a hard time hearing me, I apologize. I'm trying to get the mic as close to me as possible without having it in frame. So let me just tell you everything that's going on with me. So shortly after the break, when I said I was going on break, someone reached out to me that I had met a couple years ago, and I was very intrigued by them. So try not to delve too much into me, but I work for a Fortune 100 company. I have done that for quite a long time, and I've moved my way up and around, do a variety of things. And I have all of my little side projects that are for me. Well, this individual remembered one of my side projects, and he had always been very interested in it, particularly Python and my Python channel, my YouTube channel. So about 10 days, 2 weeks after I started my break, that person reached out to me and said, "Hey, we have a data analyst job coming open. Are you interested?" And I said yes. So that began the process of interviewing, meetings, all of those fun things that I do not like doing. So long and short of it, I've accepted this role, and next week I'm going to be starting. So I'm going to be able to speak to quite a bit more things and share what I can share. But what I really want you to take away from this, because this whole process has been, and I'm going to be leaving my current place where I've been employed for a very long time, 20 years. So, and I've built relationships and known these people a long time, been through a lot of life-changing events for me, them, and I just it's just been a big emotional roller coaster. But I'm very excited. So taking on another step and another part of my life at 45. So this is just this has all been an interesting journey. So, but what I want you to take away from this, because I've gone back and forth about feeling guilty about this just falling in my lap. And I had a very smart person share with me that it didn't fall in my lap. I had prepared myself for this door to open. Because if I had not done all that extra work, all these things about me, building me, learning Python, learning SQL, getting myself into these meetings, meeting these individuals, doing the work in those meetings to get noticed, then if I wouldn't have done Python, this person probably wouldn't have remembered me, because we talked quite a bit, and they were very interested in, and they had not heard about Python at that time. Then they had moved up in their career and had met several people on their team that were writing Python and using Python for the projects that they had. So what I want you to get away from this, and this is one thing that I used to say and I haven't said in a very long time: you're only as good as the extra that you do. We have to have a job. We have to take care of our house. we have to get up in the morning. We have to go to work. So what extra are you doing to better yourself? That's what I want everybody to get out of this right now. So now, like I was saying about my voice, that it's coming back. So I am going to try to do a couple more videos this week, but I don't know how my voice is going to hold up. So if it is not of good quality, I will not publish them. So, and I can't record in the morning because my voice is gone. It takes several hours to warm up now. And it just kind of goes in and out whenever it wants to. But, and my schedule is going to be changing drastically, but I will be 100% working at home. So please bear with me with all of these changes. Super excited, super nervous. Never done these in production. I'm going to be dealing with some very high level individuals in the company now. And so that is that. And as always, guys, thank you so much for the support. Thank you for all the comments, all the likes, all the subscribes. And most important, thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.